agents. The sales agents use it to learn from others' conversation and obviously follow up with customers they think are significant and potentially a VIP. However, the first thing when I open the orders list is the today stats. I think it's important for everyone to know who has been working most for the day and be inspired by them. The more you help us grow, the more we will be able to do more good things so you and we can earn more together. Searching is kind of self explanatory. The first thing I look when I open the orders list is the today stats. I think it's important for everyone to know who has been working the most for the day and be inspired by them. The more you work, the more you help us grow, the more we will be able to improve the software and make the work easier for you. Searching, for example, is kind of self explanatory, but we mostly use it to search by part of a phone number, name, or a tracking ID. Sometimes we're trying to find the orders filtered by a parameter. We can filter by agent's name, order status, Facebook page, country, or tracking status. The tracking status is not always accurate and updated, so if you need up-to-date information, make sure to click the track order button to see the full history and update the status. Furthermore, we can filter orders with comments to look for some strange order or by discount given to check the type of discounts have been or by discount given to check what type of discounts have been given out. By default, the from date is set to 1 week ago, so if you need to find an older order, don't forget to change it further back as much as you need. Going further down the list, we can see all the orders. Each row is one order, and each order has a color and a bunch of buttons. Some of them are self explanatory, like the ready to ship, which changes the color of the order from yellow to white. White means that it's ready to ship. The S, R, M, and P also change the color of the order, and the color of the order means a lot. Let me show you down here the legend of colors. You will learn those by heart very quickly. Yellow means not ready to ship yet. White means order is confirmed by the customer and is awaiting shipment. Uh, Green means it is shipped already and traveling towards the customer. Gray means the order has been returned to the warehouse after failed delivery. Purple means that one or more of the products from the order are out of stock, so you need to check which one and talk again with the customer if they want to wait or change the product for another one. Red means the order is cancelled or there is a problem with the address or the telephone details which need to be fixed. And orange means the product has been returned from the customer for an exchange or a refund. When you make an order orange, two buttons appear so you can choose what the customer wants, and this way the order won't count towards your fake order's return percentage. Some other useful buttons Some other useful buttons are the edit order button, which works only before the orders get shipped, the comments button, which we usually use to notify the warehouse about pending payments, replacements, later delivery, and other special cases if needed. Next is the submit feedback button, which is used to give us screenshots and photos related to a review or a happy customer photo from the order, and of course, our pride and joy, the receipt button, When you click it, you first get text suggestions to send to the customer before the receipt, and at last a fully accurate and formatted way of showing the customer what they have ordered and how much it will cost, how much is discounted, what is the exact address and telephone for which the courier is going to look for. Furthermore, just at the end, it asks the customer to finally confirm the order, so the sort of Furthermore, just at the end, it asks the customer to finally confirm the order. So the customer sort of makes a promise to receive it and take it and pay for it at the end. I think that's pretty important. I think most people are good people and moral people, and once they promise something, they tend to keep their promise. So we're trying to get this important promise. In the next column, you can see a preview of the product's image, and if you click it, you will open a new tab with the products list filtered for this product code, which is neat. You can quickly check up on product information. This, for example, is a link to the agent's messenger and her birthday. Under the date, you can see if the under the date column, the next column is when the order was created. Under the specific date, you can see whether the customer is new or returning or a VIP customer. Check out his old orders by clicking the previous orders button like this and decide how to specially treat and surprise him. Next, under the telephone is the SMS verification section. We use this tool to further reduce submission of fake orders. We require it to be done for all first-time customers, and once a telephone has been verified, we don't need to do it for a loyal customer anymore. Next, we have the name of the customer and the Facebook page with links to the customer's chat and profile. This hard box shows the customer friendliness according to your guesstimation. Please don't let customers stay in the danger zone of 6 to 7. Always try to engage them better and move them to 8 or 9. This will make our work much more fulfilling and nice, and we'll have more happy customers. Then the address details and the tracking module, which is straightforward. Once the order is shipped, warehouse inputs its tracking ID. The system starts tracking it and displays its courier status in several places of the system. You will find the green track order button, which saves you time going to the courier's webpage to search for it. I usually tend to make a screenshot of it with my favorite tool, Lightshot. You can always download Lightshot, and you can always download I usually tend to make a screenshot of it with my favorite tool, Lightshot. You should definitely download Lightshot. It's I usually tend to make a screenshot of it with my favorite tool, Lightshot, which you must definitely download and start using from the beginning because it makes communication so much faster and easier and more fun. If you have a question about the system or a bug, always use a screenshot. Why not draw an arrow to point what is strange in the screenshot? This saves me a lot of time trying to understand the issue and help you out with it. But most importantly, what you're going to be using this page for is to check if the couriers are working as expected and most importantly, if the package is already delivered. Click the message button and check up on recent orders and chatting again with the customers to see if you can get a 5-star review or a recommendation from them. Why not? That's all for the orders list. There's a few more features, but you can experiment with them on your own. Good luck!